Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting phenomenon called the electromagnetism. Now what is common in all the four things displayed in this image? An electric bell, a crane lifting iron junk, a maglev train, and an MRI machine. Can you spot what is common in all these things? It is electromagnets or electromagnetism. Now to know about electromagnetism, we first have to know about what electric current is. An electric current is a flow of charged particles. Now charges can be positive charges and negative charges, but mostly it is the negative charges which move, and negative charge is carried by electrons. So we can say that electric current is the motion of electrons. Now an electric current may produce different effects. What are these effects? There are basically three types of effects which electric current can produce: heating effect, chemical effect, and magnetic effect. The simple example of heating effect is a electric bulb. An electric bulb produces light by heating up the tungsten filament, which heats up with the electric current. This is called the heating effect of electric current. The second effect is the chemical effect. The chemical effect can be produced through electric current in a process called electrolysis. Electrolysis of water decomposes water into hydrogen and oxygen. This is called a chemical effect because in this process electric current produces a chemical reaction. Now the third effect, which is the most interesting one, is the magnetic effect. Now magnetism was known from ancient times, but electricity was discovered in the 1700s. A scientist named Oersted discovered a phenomenon in 1820. Now what Oersted discovered was an interesting phenomenon. Oersted did a simple experiment. He placed a wire alongside a magnetic compass, and the magnetic compass pointed towards north and south poles, which is the normal case or the normal scenario. But when an electric current was passed through the wire, the compass deflected its needle and started to point other than the north and south. So this showed the scientist that there is some relation between electricity and magnetism. And it also showed that a current carrying conductor behaves like a magnet and has a magnetic field around it. Now this phenomenon is called the magnetic effect of electric current, which can be termed as electromagnetism. So a current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field. But what is the shape of the magnetic field? It depends on the shape of the conductor which is carrying the current. We will discuss the shape of magnetic field around a straight wire. The shape of magnetic field around a straight wire is in the form of concentric circles around the wire when current is passed through the wire. If we place a plane perpendicular to the wire, then the concentric circles around the wire representing the magnetic lines will fall on the plane. Now, how to visualize magnetic field lines? There are two methods. Either you can use iron filings to visualize the magnetic field lines around a magnet or a current carrying conductor, or you can use a magnetic compass to find out the direction of magnetic field